working under an inert atmosphere provided by a nitrogen-filled balloon. Many reactions are air or moisture sensitive and are therefore performed under inert conditions. A proper technique is required to maintain that a reaction is air-free during the duration of the experiment. Setup: a round bottom flask, stair bar, a rubber septum, a nitrogen balloon, syringes, needles, a rubber bung, scissors, and capillary tubes. Prepare a nitrogen balloon to purge your round bottom flask of air. Using scissors, cut a 3 ml syringe at the 2 ml mark. Attach a balloon to the open end of the syringe and secure it with parafilm, making sure no air can escape. Obtain a short yellow needle to be attached later. Place a rubber septum on the opening of the round bottom flask. Fill the balloon with nitrogen by holding the syringe opening against the nitrogen valve. Slowly release nitrogen into the balloon and allow nitrogen to escape. Repeat this 2 more times to make sure no air remains in your balloon. Finally, fill the balloon with nitrogen and close the cylinder valve after use. Attach the short green needle onto the syringe and insert the nitrogen balloon into the rubber septum of the round bottom flask. Attach the short yellow needle into the rubber septum. The yellow needle acts as a vent to force the air out and fill the flask with nitrogen. Make sure the balloon is sufficiently filled with nitrogen and remove the yellow needle after approximately 1 minute. Addition of reagents under an inert atmosphere. Set up the apparatus as shown. In order to syringe 2 ml of the solvent from the SureSeal bottle, it is necessary to purge the syringe with nitrogen. To do this, insert the needle into the septum of the round bottom flask under nitrogen. Fill the syringe with nitrogen, remove the needle and dispense. Repeat this process 3 times to ensure that the air is completely removed from the needle. Once ready, insert the nitrogen balloon into the SureSeal bottle. Insert the purged needle into the bottle and carefully syringe 2 ml of the solvent from the SureSeal bottle, ensuring that you hold the joint between the syringe and the needle with a gloved hand. Remove the nitrogen balloon and insert it into the rubber septum of the round bottom flask. Carefully transfer the solvent from the syringe into the round bottom flask. Carefully remove the syringe. Removing a sample for TLC analysis from a flask under a positive pressure of nitrogen. For this, a permanent spotter was used which fits through the glass capillary and is long enough to reach the contents of the round bottom flask easily. Take your sample by inserting the permanent spotter through the capillary tube. Lower the spotter into the solvent and then quickly remove it, and spot the solvent onto a filter paper. Don't forget to replace the nitrogen balloon once you have finished. Remove all the needles from the syringes and dispose off into the sharps waste container.